everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I got slimes for my birthday. I don't know if this is going to be coming out on my birthday, a couple days after, or whenever, but today is my birthday, and it'll probably come out a couple days later, just because, yeah. So, I got slimes for my birthday, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So, we have this lime green, this red, sorry, I'm trying to fix the camera for you guys so you can see better. This red, this purple, dark blue, light blue, yellow, greeny blue. It looks blue on camera, but it's kind of more green in real life. Purple, another purple, pink, orange, and like a darker orange, some clear, and of course the lime I already showed you guys. So I only opened up the lime because I didn't want this to be a very not trying to show you guys anything video, but I will not be showing anything else because I'm going to make YouTube shorts of opening each of them, but I will come back to blow bubbles in them because they came with little straws. I have this thing that came with it, got some add-ins and some more add-ins somewhere, so I'll be right back after I film those YouTube shorts. If you do want to see them, you can go to the YouTube channel and just go to the shorts. So I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Okay, well, that took a lot longer than expected. It took like about an hour, but I am back, and now that they're all open, I want you guys to vote on one of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One of the 12 shorts I just made, and tell me what add-ins I should add. So hold on, let me just grab the add-ins out of my bag. Here they are. A lot of glitter, and then we have some fruit, some green shimmer glitter, some pink shimmer glitter, some rainbow beads, some rainbow foam beads, some blue beads, some chunky rainbow foam beads. Where'd this go? Some candy, little things like the fruits. And then these are some tools, but you know, you're not gonna add those into the slime. And then there's also these bigger ones. So if you, there will be like one specific one. I might do like a unicorn one since there's like 3 unicorns, and I might do like a food one since there's like 3 foods or something. We'll see. But if you do have one that you really want, like say you really want yellow with the rainbow beads and maybe glitter with these two, go ahead and comment that on one of the slime. I don't know if all of them have comments on. I'll have to check that. But if you guys do have one you like, or you're just gonna be like pick yourself, or like ask your friends, ask your family, whatever you want to do, ask, comment if you want, and make sure to go ahead and check out those videos. Now, besides that boring stuff, let's get to the blowing and fun stuff of these slimes. Okay, so I think we're just gonna do red since it's the first color in the rainbow. I don't know how satisfying this will be, and I also don't know if I'm going to be able to do bubbles since I might show my face when I do that, and I would be showing my face right now, but I'm not allowed to, so this is my alternative. Now, press it down with the straw in. Okay, and I'm just going to use back just a hair back. Oh, sorry, it's gonna, I think that's the best we can do. The end of the straw is right here, which is where my mouth's gonna be. So I will just, I could attach another straw to it. That's an alternative. Or we don't do it all. So I'm gonna try this, and then if it doesn't really work, I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it's not really working too well. So let's try this one more time. Okay, looks like I've been a little too hard. Let's go ahead and just do that. Boop, bop. Boop. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. For you guys, okay? Okay, nice and in there. I hope that satisfies you guys enough, because I don't think that's ever going to work again with the distance I am in with the straw. That was the weirdest noise ever. This is a very weird noise-making slime, but it's working. Kind of. Okay, so the next thing we're going to try is this, but this is not kind of the type of slime that's like ooey gooey, so it's not really going to work, but it might be a little satisfying for you guys, so we'll see. Yeah. I think you need to zoom in a bit. No, that would have been smarter, just zoom in. Why am I so dumb? Okay. Oh my god, you can pop them. Pretty good slime. Overall, I think this is a really good slime. I did get this on Amazon, which is why I was a little concerned, because Amazon you can't always trust, even though I know they probably try their hardest to get all these scammy things off their websites. But I wish it came with like 1 or 2 ooey gooey slimes, because this is literally useless for this type of slime, and some people might not have different types of slimes. I do, but I know not a lot of people do. So again, don't forget, pick a thing and pick a slime and a glitter and whatever you want, and comment it down below if you want, and make sure to check out those videos too. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.